The SS rubber ducky will float because it is the fastest little ducky you've ever seen. It is going to crush the competition, especially with Captain Alessandro on its back.
Welcome to the 2019 boat races. In this period, different geometry classes will race their boats across the pool to see which one is the best and fastest. For the boat project, George, Brianna, and I decided to do an octagon-shaped boat that would quickly glide across the water.
To find the shape for our boat, we took 2 trapezoids and 1 rectangle, we found the volume and all the necessary dimensions, and we put them together.
Our boat is 132 centimeters long and 98 centimeters wide. Pretty big boat.
Even though we ran into a few altercations, we came together as a team to find out the best possible way for our boat to be built.
The Hot Dog Express is surely going to win, so beware to all the other boats out there. Good luck and have fun.
The Hot Dog Express is surely going to win, so beware to all the other boats out there. Good luck and good fun.
Hi everyone, this is Brett, and later in the film you'll see Lizzie and Natalie as well. Today we're here to talk about Progimos Drippy Express, which is the name of our boat for the boat project. So we named it, for the first part of our name, Progimos, is because Progimos is Miss Taxakis, our teacher's son, and then we named it Drippy Express after that, Progimos, as we thought I would just add something fun that no one else had, to make our name the best. And then secondly, for the actual design of our boat project, we had a square base as to ensure the least amount of seams would be possible, as we just thought a square base would be easiest to make sure that no seams would appear or holes, and that Lizzie would stay afloat when she was in the swimming pool, in the boat. And then we had a triangular front part of the base to ensure that Lizzie would propel faster than the others. And
so for our calculations, we had to make sure that my volume was smaller than the boat's volume, and we had to make sure our model boat was able to float with the 500 grams so that when I get in our boat, we have a pretty sure chance of me floating.
My name's Natalie, and I'm going to talk about the process that it took to make our mini boat for the project. So the day that we started in the wrestling gym, we were actually behind a day, so we had to finish phase 4 or 3, I forgot which one it was, but we had to finish that before we can start building or even drawing it out. So once we started drawing it out, it was actually really hard fitting both the big boat and the small boat on the same cardboard. So once we were able to do that, we were fine. And then I would say cutting is the hardest part, because cutting with a box cutter is actually really hard, because like Miss T kept telling us we weren't doing it right. So then we were just like, well, what the heck, like, how to use a box cutter? Then we figured it out and we got it all cut out. Then we were able to tape it, and when we tested it, our boat floated perfectly. Like, I'm pretty sure it was the best one. And
I believe our boat will crush the competition today because our model boat was built perfectly and all the measurements added up, and it floated with 500 grams in it.
Yo, what's that thing floating in the water? It looks like a duck. Oh, was that? That duck's gonna whoop you? No cap.
I'm Admiral O'Connor of Lobo. We're not here to take part, we're here to take over.
Our boat general shape is a square attached to a triangle. Our triangle's height is 30 centimeters, and our square has a 100 centimeter length with a 78 centimeter width and 40 centimeter height.
We've done our calculations. The waterline sits 1/6 the height of the boat, and the triangular point of the boat will be able to cut through the water like a hot knife through butter.